Hi, I'm Dylan Kindla, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a firmware update on your Stratos Multi. From the main menu on your Stratos Multi, enter the Settings menu, Parameter Setting, and then Administrative Level. The default passcode is 1989. I've turned this all to zeros for simplicity. We're going to go on to System Control, scroll down to Option Activation, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see Firmware Update. We're going to set that to active, and here on the side I have the TAN code. This TAN code is going to activate the option to update your multi. Once your TAN code has been activated, you can flip open the device, and then we will be inserting our Stratos Multi firmware update card, which has to already have the current update that you're wanting to install preloaded onto it. Once you've entered that, you will see in the top left-hand corner of the device that says Up Card. And then as long as you have your firmware update TAN code activated, in System Controls, you will now see Firmware Update. You enter this, select Update Firmware, and then make sure the version matches what you are trying to install. We're going to be installing 1.03.01, which adds active calibration readout during the different calibration phases. So I'm going to click Start Firmware Update, yes. And then you're going to have to sit here for around between 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the transmitter. It's going to erase the current update, and then it is going to load the new update. Now that the firmware update has concluded installing, the device will reboot, and you will be brought back to your main menu. I'm going to demonstrate the update capabilities of what I just installed. So if I go into Menu, then I go to Calibration, MemoSense pH, up here in the top right-hand corner, I now have readouts that show the active pH readings of the sensor. So I don't have to guess if the readings have stabilized before I put it into a new buffer. The calibration hasn't started, but if I throw it in this 7, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, the pH slowly creeps up. So you could wait and actually know when your device has stable reading, and then you can proceed into your calibration. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at M4 Connect.